major news this morning about Apple and Google. Apple looking into using the AI tool and leveraging Google as a software in their iPhones. Google gapping up this morning, and it gave out really nice opportunities at the open. Hello, Bearable traders. My name is Paris Jandwani, and I'm gonna be doing my recap for today. We all know Andrew's traveling, so wish him best for all his travels. Today in the chat room, we had some really nice trades. I had a fantastic day today, and I traded Nvidia, and I traded Tesla, and I traded Microsoft. But there were major news this morning about Apple. Apple and Google. Apple looking into using the AI tool and leveraging Google as a software in their iPhones. Google gapping up this morning, and it gave out really nice opportunities at the open. For me, I traded Nvidia. Nvidia has an event today, with today being a very great indication of sell the news event, and I shorted Nvidia at 920, and currently I'm standing at more than $35-40 move on the stock. I'm still holding it. I'm looking for the PDC, for the break of PDC, and I shorted Nvidia, and the reason I shorted around 920, so the thing is, I was short biased on Nvidia. I was looking for sell the news event. Obviously the stock was gapped up, but you don't short blindly. You wait for the right areas, right stocks, let the price action tell you that the stock is actually getting weak, and then you use increase your risk management, manage your risk management, and then take a short on that position. So the reason I shorted stock on Nvidia was, if you look on the daily had a very strong at 920. So this past 4-5 days, the stock never went above 920. 920 is the area where you would see a lot of resistance on the top, and now in a deeper time frame, you want to see if there is a weakness around it. So when the stock was strong at the open, I did not, since I was short biased, I waited. This is a very good bullish price action, pop up higher, another very good bullish price action. And this area, when it came back below 920 and did not rejected the 920, that's when I went short for the rejection of 920, stop loss $1 above that, and then captured a really nice pop on the downside. Then once the character of a stock is changed, now you're looking for pullbacks and use I basically use tape reading skills to be pinpoint my entries. I shorted 915s, added heavy, and I'm looking for another low of the day. Now this was another area for add. I missed to add here, but now it's looking for low. I'm looking for the break of PDC. So shorting at 920s and looking for a 40-point move on the stock. So very good trade in terms of risk reward as well as trade management. So this was Nvidia. Another trade that I took was in Tesla. Tesla also turned out to be a very profitable trade, and I was long biased on Tesla because of the way it was interacting in the way it was consolidating. So Tesla has been sold off. There was a news catalyst about Tesla increasing the rates. I'm not really sure how much of an impact that would have made, but the way the price action was telling that it was found a bottom at 161, held the 161 all day on Friday, very nice moves between 164. I was thinking of taking something above 164 if it shows me a rally, but then another level that I was watching very closely was around 167, and I did not again, you don't take the stock blindly. The stock was either, if 170 would have held, I would have taken a long, but it sold off, continued to sell off, and when it starts showcasing the strength in terms of the price action, that's when I went long, and very strong confirmation on the tape. 167, the buyers were not letting it drop for 3-4 minutes. You keep seeing that hold, and then I went with tier 1, added tier 2, and this is the move. I was looking for 169 and 170 as my initial target, but the way the stock was moving and popped up, my final exit was at 172.5, and I mistakenly shorted at that point of time as well, and I immediately covered. But now that the stock is close to the once it went to 174.5. That's a big move. But very nice from 167 to 172, close to $5.5 move on Tesla. And then one trade on Microsoft at the open. I was short biased again on it on 4015 because of the impact that the Apple and the Google collaboration would impact on the Chat GPT. But stock was strong from the get-go. It was gapped down. It was selling in the pre-market. I was looking for a pullback to short the 415, 416 areas, but it did show me a rejection. It did not have any continuation. I got stopped out. So those were those three trades that I took, but some really nice moves. A lot of people in the chat room took on Apple and Google at the open. So yeah, so very good, very volatile day. A lot of opportunities in the in the day today, and I hope you have a great day, and hope you caught some moves as well. And keep it green, guys. Take care.